Alright, in this video I'm going to finish up what we were doing in class this week, or well, today, on Thursday, August 24th. So it says here, a computer that has a regular price of $872 is discounted 30%. So it's on sale. What is the amount of the discount? Well, that would be 30% of 872. So this is a multiplication problem. We're going to multiply 0.3, got to change this to a decimal, times 872. And when we do that, let's see, that would be 261.60. So what is the discounted price? So in other words, how much is it on sale for? Well, this was the discount. That's how much we're going to save. So we'll take the 872 we started with and we'll subtract 261.60, and you should get $610.40. Alright, on number 7 it says Susan spends 15% of her yearly salary, so her yearly salary or annual salary, on educational expenses. If she spends $2,700 on educational expenses, what is her annual salary? So we're looking for the annual or yearly salary. That's going to be our X. Well, it says 15% of her annual salary is spent on educational expenses. So 15% of X, or times X, let me just say of X, remember, whatever follows the word of is the whole. In this case, our whole is the yearly salary. So 15% of her yearly salary, that's how much she spends on educational expenses. Well, they told us it's $2,700. So notice that's the part. We're looking for the whole, we have the part. So think about this. She makes a salary for the year, and part of that is spent on educational expenses, 15%. And so that's going to be the smaller amount. The annual salary will be the bigger amount. But again, because it follows the word of, we know that's the whole. So when we write this as an equation, we get 0.15x. Remember, we're multiplying. So we wrote 15% as a decimal times x equals 2,700. Now, a lot of times students will just take 15% of whatever number they see, and notice that is not what's going on here. It's 15% of some number. Her annual salary is 2,700. So we'll divide both sides by 1,500ths, and you should get X is equal to $18,000. Now you could always check this and take 15% of $18,000, and that should be $2,700. So that's our final answer there. Let me go ahead and do that here too. Those are our answers. Finally, in number 8, it says Manuel purchased some software at the bookstore at a price of $45.75. So that's the cost of this software. If the sales tax is 8%, what is the tax on the software? Well, it's going to be 8% of the price, which is $45.75. And so that's going to be 0.08 written as a decimal times $45.75. And I'm getting $3.66. $3.66 is the tax. So we want to know the cost of the software, including the tax. Well, it's $45.75 plus the tax, So this is what it costs for the item. This is the tax. So if we add that in, I'm getting $49.41. All right, so that's the end of our notes for the percents, for a review of percents. If you have any questions, let me know.